Good evening. Today in class, we did the warm-up for plastic workbook, page 55, 1 to 9. What we were supposed to do was supposed to plot two ordered pairs and draw a line through them, connecting them, and find out what the slope is. If it's positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So let's take a look at the first one here. We have 2 points here, represented by the ordered pairs of each point. Now, what I'd like to do first immediately to help me to find where do I start. Take a look at the first one. We have 1, negative 4. I know immediately the ordered pair is usually written as x, y. So, I'm going to put x under 1, y under negative 4, x under 5, y under negative 8. So let's go ahead and plot the first point. X is 1, y is negative 4. X is 1, which is positive, will be right here, and y is negative 4, which is down here. So I'm going to go ahead and plot this point right here. And of course, I want to label it. I'm going to label it 1, negative 4. Now for the second ordered pair, x is 5, y is negative 8. Of course, x is positive. 5 is positive. So I go here and I find 5 positive. And I go down negative 8, which is of course right down here. So I'm going to go ahead and label it, the point, 5, negative 8. Now I have 2 points here, and I'm going to draw a line connecting these 2 points. Now before I do that, if you look at these 2 points and you read from left to right, can you tell what kind of a line that might be drawn? Positive, negative, 0, or undefined. Now if you're reading it from start from here to down here, then you can kind of give you an imagination that it's going to be a negative slope, and line going down. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line through these 2 points connecting them. Now, the most important thing you have to do after you draw a line through the 2 points connecting them, you need to draw an arrow on each end of the line. Okay. Now, we have a line through the 2 points connecting them, and therefore, you read from left to right. What kind of a slope would this be? Negative, of course. Now I'm going to write down negative. Okay, now let's revisit one more time. We have 2 ordered pairs, and then what we're going to do is we're going to label it x and y for 1 and negative 4, x and y 5 and negative 8. So we go right ahead and we plot the 2 points, 1, negative 4, 5, negative 8. So we have 2 points, then we draw a line through them, connecting them. Then we read from left to right. Of course, the line is going down, therefore the slope is negative. So that is our lesson that we did today.